Want to make money while you sleep? I am about to show you a free website that lets you sell your own digital products, even if you have never created one before. No tech skills. No investment. Just your idea plus ChatGPT. Step 1. Go to Gumroad. It has a completely free platform where creators sell digital products like eBooks, templates, Notion files, and more. People are making thousands each month, passively. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create your product. Don't know what to sell? No worries. Use ChatGPT. Ask it, write an ebook outline on how students can earn money online in 2025, now generate each chapter one by one, and boom, you've got your content. Step 3. Design with Canva. Now head over to Canva. To make your ebook or digital file look clean and professional. Choose an ebook template, paste the content, and export as PDF. Step 4. Upload to Gumroad. Back to Gumroad, upload your PDF, add a title, description, and price. Set it to $5, $10, or even let buyers pay what they want. Step 5. Promote it. Now promote your product on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook groups, or even TikTok. Link your Gumroad product, and every sale equals passive income, 24/7. Yes, even while you sleep. This is the power of AI plus digital tools in 2025. Start with one product, grow from there. Like this tip? Hit like, subscribe to Side Hustle Sphere, and check the description for more hustle ideas.